Hi, in this video I want to share with you how you can flip property anywhere in the world from the comfort of your own home and generate £5,000 per property transaction. So think of yourself like an estate agent. You're a middleman. You're going to find a property, you're going to negotiate a deal, and then you're going to sell it to a person who's looking for a property of that criteria. So let me give you a really simple example. So we're going to take a villa in Spain, because we've done lots of deals in Spain, Cyprus, Turkey, Egypt, Portugal, loads of countries this works in worldwide, and you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Now, this strategy only works for certain types of sellers, so typically people who don't need the money from the sale. Now, if somebody's got a capital gains tax liability or something such like, where they're just going to put the money in the bank, then there's not really much benefit to them doing that. Whereas with this strategy, you can offer to give them a little bit more for the property if they're prepared to wait for the money. So let's say we've got a villa in Spain and it's advertised for, say, €140,000, for example. You might decide to offer them €150,000. Now what you do is you do €150,000, divide it by 180 months. And that gives you a monthly payment of €833. So let me just run through that again. You find a property, this one's in Spain, it's worth, so it's advertised for 140,000. You want to incentivize the seller to doing a creative type deal, and you say to them, look, if you don't need the money from the sale, would you be open to being paid in monthly installments? That's going to work for everyone, obviously, but the ones it does work for, this is where we get the deal. And this is where it becomes really valuable, because what you've done is, this is called vendor finance or seller finance. So you're getting the owner to agree to financing the deal. Typically not much interest, because obviously you're just charging a little bit more. So somebody's going to be paying a little bit more than today's market value because of the way this is set up. So there's not much interest in there. In fact, the monthly payment remains fixed for the whole 180 months. So you haven't got to worry about interest rates going up or anything like that. There's no mortgage on it. The owner is simply allowing you to pay the 150,000 over 180 months. So a buyer doesn't have to put down £150,000 cash or euros. They can just control it and pay it monthly to the owner, and that each part of that payment is 100% deductible to the purchase price. So in 180 months, the investor will own it, or the person buying it will own it 100% clear. There's no mortgages, they'll own it. Now, the only fee the buyer pays us, the buyer pays us a £5,000 fee. That's how we make our money, and we set it all up. We introduce them to solicitors who can put the paperwork together. But it's a fantastic strategy for standing in the middle, getting paid for just putting these deals together, and you can comfortably do one or two of these deals per month. Now, if you're interested in doing deals like this, or you want to talk to us more, get in touch with us in the description below.